Umpisa na ulit, guys.
Breath and exhale. Okay, the side up. Good. Okay, other way. Dr. Bro is next. That's always how you do. It's always like, no, we need to do that. So like this, in your first time or second set, make sure you get it set up for the 2 days next week. Okay, and then we'll see next week, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday. And wow. Okay, he got it. Hey brother, how you doing?
Good.
Everything's moving good.
Oops. Sarap. Oh, that's not sakit. Pero, laking tulong. Oh.
Okay, all done.
Hold on.
All done.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay?
Okay. Sarap. Thank you,
See
Doc.
you next week.
Yes, Doc.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, good morning.
Kelsey. Hi. Hello. Gulo-gulo. This is my eldest notebook. Cute. And she wrote this one while waiting.